What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today I am so excited to share with you guys my house tour video. So the style of this video is going to be super quick. I'm not going to do a ton of talking, just going to let the music play and let you see the video, and throughout the video I'll be sharing where most of the larger items in my home are from. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you have any questions about any items down in the comments below, and enjoy!